Want comprehensive website tracking and advanced insights for your Shopify store? Let's start. Go to tagmanager.google.com and sign in or create an account. Choose create account and fill in the details. Your business name is a good account name. Put your website domain in. Importantly, select web as your target platform. This is how GTM knows it's for your site. Hit create and accept the terms. Here's the core. Google Tag Manager gives you two important code snippets. The first goes in the head section of your website code, and the second immediately after the body tag. These snippets enable the tracking. Go to your Shopify admin, click Online Store, Themes, Actions, and then Edit Code. Open the Liquid file. Copy the first Google Tag Manager snippet and paste it into the head section, usually at the top. Then add the second snippet right after the opening body tag and save. Back in GTM, click Submit, add a change description, test, and publish. Congrats! You've connected your store to Google Tag Manager. Now, use detailed data to optimize your conversions.